Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button. Most importantly, click on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we post a new video. After all the saga about Tinubu saying that he lost his certificate and he did not file his certificate, it is only necessary for us to dive into Tinubu's past and go back, way back, to when he lied under oath and he was sued by Gani Fawehinmi. We should also tell you that in 1999 and 2003, Tinubu also filed that he lost his certificate. He filed to INEC saying that he lost his certificate even during the times that he ran for Lagos president. If you haven't subscribed at this point, it would only be good for you to subscribe. You've watched until this point, so you should go ahead and subscribe. All right, let's dive right into the news proper. On October 7, 1999, the late human rights lawyer Gani Fawehinmi filed an order at the Federal High Court Lagos to compel security operatives to investigate criminal allegations which he made against the then governor of Lagos State, Bola Tinubu. Tinubu had made a claim of loss of certificates in his filings with the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in 1999 and 2003 when he ran for the governor of Lagos State. He, however, stated in 1999 that he attended St. Paul's Children's Home School, Ibadan, from 1958 to 1964 and Government College, Ibadan, from 1965 to 1968, before proceeding to Richard Daley College, Chicago, from 1969 to 1971, and the University of Chicago. Fawehinmi, in the court document, had filed an order of mandatus praying the court to compel security operatives to investigate the allegations against Tinubu, who had earlier been cleared by the Lagos House of Assembly. An order of mandamus compelling the respondent, whether by themselves, their agents, servants, privies, or otherwise, however, to investigate the applicant's complaint of false statements on oath and false declarations made under oath by Mr. Bola Tinubu, as contained in the two documents, that is, Independent National Electoral Commission Form CF001, declared and verified under oath by Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now Governor of Lagos State, before the Commissioner of the Oaths at the High Court Registry Ikeja on December 28, 1998. The court document had read, an affidavit entitled Affidavit in respect of lost certificates sworn to by Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, now Governor of Lagos State, before the Commissioner for Oaths at the High Court Registry, Ikeja, on December 29, 1998. The Federal High Court, in its judgment, however, ruled that Tinubu, as then sitting governor, could not be tried as he enjoyed immunity from prosecution. The appeal court also upheld the judgment of the lower court. The late legal luminary, then headed to the Supreme Court and the Apex Court, ruled that though Tinubu enjoyed immunity from prosecution, he could be investigated by the police over the allegation and tried after his tenure. However, 15 years after his tenure as the governor of Lagos State, the Nigerian police force has refused to charge him as ruled by the Supreme Court. In 2013, one Dr. Dominic Adegbola filed an unsuccessful application seeking to reopen the suit. The late Adegbola had sought an order compelling the Inspector General of Police (IGP) to commence an investigation into the alleged case of certificate forgery. Dismissing the application, Justice Saliu Sado held that by Order 34, Rule 4 of the Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rules, the applicant failed to satisfy the mandatory requirements of the law. Justice Sado also held that such an application should have been filed before the court within 3 months when the alleged fraudulent act was detected. According to the judge, since the application was not brought within the stipulated time, as mandated by the rules of court, it was bound to eat the rocks. Though Tinubu later presented a certificate indicating he attended Chicago State University, but reporters learned that had never been the issue in contention as raised by the late legal luminary Fawehinmi. The issue raised by the late lawyer was about what Tinubu filed in the INEC form F001 is submitted to the electoral body as his academic qualifications in 1998, which included the claim that he attended the University of Chicago and not Chicago State University. The University of Chicago is a private research university in Chicago, Illinois, while on the other hand, Chicago State University is a predominantly black public university in Chicago that is not highly regarded. Also challenged was what he filled in the INEC form that he attended St. Paul's School, Aroloya, Lagos, for his primary education, which does not exist. University of Chicago, Government College, Ibadan, between 1965 and 1968, which the authorities and Old Boys Association of Government College Ibadan debunked. Wow. This Tinubu saga of saying that he lost his certificate is not going to end anytime soon, because a lot of people online have been saying a lot of things and people have been digging out old evidences that have now shown that he didn't even submit certificate when he became the Lagos state government in 1999 and 2003. All evidences are pointing to the fact that Tinubu might not have attended school. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.